Good morning, I just woke up and today is a Sunday, so it's currently 9:30, so yes, kakagising ko lang, tinatamad ako tumayo actually, but yes, this is the part of the Vlogmas episode 2, so yeah, tinatamad ako bumang, kakagising ko lang, but yeah. Lesson 1 for today. I haven't met yet. And hindi pa namin tayo natatakot personally since next year pa namin siya mamimit yung prof namin per FL2. But yeah, tapos sa sarili ko. Yeah, advance ko na yung lesson na alala kasi lesson 1 namin for vocabulary sentences. So, may kasilari na siya on the one advance natin. So, yeah. So, this is me studying until the perspective. Alam ko mag-enjoy ako this Christmas break, pero lesson pa rin pala mag-iwasan. So, yes, we have no choice but to study this in advance para hindi na rin tayo mahirapan. Hi guys, and today is December 21 and it's currently 10 a.m. and today we're gonna do a study study sessions lang for today. And kasi may mga kailangan akong gawing activities for school, so kailangan ko siyang gawin bago mag-Christmas, and after Christmas, kailangan ko na siyang ipasa. Kasi, ayoko ng mga rag after ng bakasyon. Kasi, after nito, diba, sobrang kailangan nang bumalik sa school ulit. And, gusto ko wala na akong iisipin mga activity na kailangan ipasang activity sa ibang subject aside sa thesis. So yun, so that's our agenda for today. Yeah, so mag-study lang tayo. So yeah,
everybody smells like cheap cologne, got a full house watching Home Alone, grandma's trying to figure out a brand new phone, we're so rock and roll, we love one another and wind up each other enough to make Santa insane.
Tapos may mga nagiinuman na sa yeah. It's currently Thursday and sa pansin. Yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. This is the look. Christmas na. I hope you guys enjoy with your family for this. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So today is December 28 and it's currently 10:30 a.m. And today ang agenda ko lang is gawin yung mga pending tasks ko na hindi ko pa nagagawa for next year na due date ko for ACADS. And then yeah, yun lang naman. And medyo nasimulan ko na sila, nasa kalahati na sila. So, yes. And yung sa ECT ko, nagawa ko na yung first lesson. And second lesson na din, na-start ko na siya. And kalahati na lang nun. And then, yung TE namin. 5 questions na rin yun, nagawa ko na rin yun. So, ang kailangan ko na lang gawin is isulat na lang sila sa notebook ko. Kasi, yun yung sabi ng prof ko, kailangan isulat sa notebook. So, yeah. That's what we're gonna do today. And, yeah. And then, after that, wala na. Thesis na lang. Actually, wala pa kami nasisimulan sa thesis eh. So, good luck na lang. And, by the way, I got a haircut. Yes. Yeah. Pagupit ako. Yeah. Bagay ko ba? Siyempre, ako na yan eh. Yeah, but, that's the agenda for today. Yeah. And later, papakita ko sa inyo may in-order na naman ako sa TikTok shop. So, yeah. Thank you guys. See you on the next coming clips. Dami ko pang kailangang aralin. So, yan. Ganda na. Oh my God, ang dami. Okay. Ginagawa natin yung paraan.